How to manage virtual desktops in Windows 11. The virtual desktop features gets makeover in Windows 11. Here's how to organize and customize them in Microsoft Next Generation. Want to keep your work emails and Word documents separate from the games you play after hours in Windows? You can turn to virtual desktop which seal off groups of apps, making them easier to manage. Introduced in Windows 10 with the built-in task view button on the taskbar, the feature has been revamped for Windows 11. Gone is the Windows timeline that showed your recent activity. In its place is the much sleeker and simpler desktop icon. Use your virtual desktop. You can manage your desktop by clicking the desktop icon on the taskbar. It looks like two gray square with which will display all your open programs and any virtual desktop you have created or used the Win plus tab shortcut. Windows 11 also have a rollover feature that lets you hover over the desktop's icon to review existing desktop, reorder them, and create new ones. Create new desktop. To create a new desktop, click the new desktop button and a new desktop will be added to the list, or use the keyboard shortcut Win plus Control plus D. The new desktop will be empty, but any open programs you were using are still open on the previous desktop. Rename your desktop. To rename open desktop, click the default name desktop 2 in the small preview image and enter a new name. Label them by a purpose or specific projects, for example. With multiple desktops, it may become hard to tell them apart. Organize open desktop by dragging them into your preferred order from the list on the bottom of the screen. Or right-click a desktop and select Move Right to change your order. Use Win plus Control plus left right arrows shortcut to cycle between desktop and Alt plus Shift left right arrows to move them. Change the background on your desktop for a more visual way to differentiate between virtual desktop. Windows 11 lets you add a custom background to each one. Right click on the desktop and select Choose Background to open the background menu for that desktop. Choose a background or upload your own, and the background for that desktop will change while other open desktop retain their original background. How Windows appear across desktops. By default, programs are kept separate from those in other desktop, so you cloud have multiple tabs open in the edge on one desktop, say for work, and then jump to a new desktop and open a completely different set of edge tabs for personal use. If you want a specific Windows or series of Windows to be available across multiple desktops, open the desktop view, right click the apps and select show this Windows on all desktops. Selecting how Windows from this app on all desktops will do the same for every open version of the app.